everyone, welcome back. Today I bring to you a healthy recipe breakfast recipe that you can make it easy and quick. So that is choco chip and banana oatmeal. So this oatmeal you can prepare it instantly or you can prepare it overnight. You can also call it overnight oatmeal. So it's going to be very healthy and filling breakfast. It contains oats, peanut butter, chia seeds and choco chips. So yes, it's going to be a lovely recipe, and I usually have this for breakfast sometimes. As it contains chocolate, I can't have it every day, but just once in a while I have it for breakfast. So let's get started in making this healthy recipe. To make the choco chip banana oatmeal, over here I've taken 3/4 cup of instant oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seed, 1 cup of milk. This is 250 ml of milk. I've taken a mixing bowl. I've taken 1 tablespoon of honey. I'm going to be adding in some peanut butter. This is 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. This is freshly homemade peanut butter, creamy peanut butter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or you can also use vanilla essence. I have 1 tablespoon of semi-sweet chocolate. This is milk chocolate, 1 banana and some pista flakes for the final garnishing. Okay, let's start. So in a mixing bowl, I'll add in the 3/4 cup of oats. If you're using old-fashioned rolled oats, you need to soak this at least 4 hours. I'm using instant oats, so it's going to be a very quick recipe. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. I'm using black chia seeds. Next I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of natural homemade peanut butter. You can see this recipe in my channel. Next I'm just going to give it a little bit mix, just a little mix. Next I'm adding in 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. If you have vanilla essence, then you can also use that. This is optional, you can skip if you like. I'll just keep this spoon aside. Next I'm going to be adding in the 1 cup of milk. Now it's important to use 3/4 cup of oats, 1 cup of milk. That is the measurement. So adding in the milk inside gently. Adding in 1 tablespoon of honey. If you have maple syrup, then you can go ahead and add the maple syrup. So 1 tablespoon of honey goes in here. And I'm going to give this a good mix. As the recipe suggests, this recipe is going to be slightly like a dessert, I mean, because of the choco chips. So this recipe is a good option for breakfast because we have oats, we have choco chips, we have like you can add in the fruits of your choice. Here I'm going to be using in chopped bananas. You can add in any fruits or any nuts of your choice. I'm going to give this a good mix. Okay, this is nice and mixed. Next I'm going to be adding in the 1 tablespoon of choco chips. You can add in 2 tablespoons if you wish, but I think 1 tablespoon is enough. So after adding in the choco chips, I'm going to give it a good mix. Next I'm going to add in the banana, finely chopped. Adding in the finely chopped bananas. So it's just 1 banana that I've just peeled and I've chopped. Now I'm going to mix this well. Normally I don't like taking bananas just like that, but at least if it's overnight oats or oatmeal or any other, like for example chia pudding or something like that, then I can take the bananas. So bananas are also very good for health, as well as chia seeds, peanut butter and oats. So in this recipe I forgot to mention that I'm using oat milk. So you can use any plant-based or nut milk of your choice, but don't use the normal cow milk or the normal regular milk. Or you can use almond milk, cashew milk, coconut milk, soy milk, oat milk. Personally in this recipe oat milk goes very well. So I had prepared this oat milk just at my house. So it's very easy to prepare the oat milk. If you want to learn how to prepare the oat milk, just comment below. So you guys must be knowing or must have heard of overnight oats. So usually in overnight oats, what usually happens is that old-fashioned rolled oats are used instead of instant oats. So if you're using in old-fashioned rolled oats, you can just make this recipe the exact same way. Then you can soak it or you can refrigerate it for 4 hours. But in this case, as I'm using in instant oats, I'm only going to let them soak and sit in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So soaked oats are very high in fiber content, which keeps your stomach filled with for a longer time. It even helps in clearing out your digestive tract. The high resistance starch content guarantees faster fat burning and increasing the body's insulin level. It is a very healthy recipe. I know most of the people run away from overnight oats or any other oat milk recipes or oats recipes, but oats, peanut butter, honey, in this recipe we are not even using any refined sugar. You can just use maple syrup, agave syrup, or honey. So options are endless and it's going to be tasty as well. It's not going to be all that sweet, but just because we've added the honey, it's going to give us the nice slight sweetness as well as the bananas. It is very healthy to take this as for your breakfast, or whenever you're feeling hungry, you can take this as a snack. So also it's good for the weight loss program. In case if you're on a weight loss journey, this is a very good option for you guys. So for now, this is done. Now the pista, I'm going to use it only after this have sit in the refrigerator for 2 hours. So I'm going to just place it in the refrigerator, just the normal section, not the freezer section. Then once they are soaked and nice, I'll garnish this with the pista. So see you guys after 2 hours. So the choco chip banana instant oatmeal is completely ready. It's been 2 hours. I just removed it from the refrigerator. Now I'm going to give it some nice garnishing. So I'm going to be adding in some pista flakes, just a little bit all over. You can add in almond flakes, or you can also add in any other flakes or any other nuts. If you have some fruits that you would love to garnish with, then you can obviously add your favorite fruits. Next in, I have some semi-sweet chocolate chips. So I'm going to also add that. Choco chips is always best, especially when you're having it in such recipes that you kind of run away from. Just there. This recipe is completely ready. Wholesome recipe. You can have it for lunch, dinner, breakfast. Choco chip banana instant oatmeal. It's completely ready. Thank you so much for watching this recipe, and do subscribe to my channel. If you like this recipe, then give me a thumbs up, comment on my video, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, and I'll see you in my next video. God bless you.